Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app allows you to book Lightning Lane return times for eligible attractions and modify your existing reservations if your plan change. With Lightning Lane Multi-Pass or Lightning Lane Single Pass, you can manage your reservations directly from the app, subject to availability. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to book and modify a Lightning Lane in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for maximizing your time at Disneyland. So first thing, open the Disneyland mobile app, sign into your Disney account, and you're now ready to manage Lightning Lane reservations. So book a Lightning Lane, like to reserve an attraction. Open the tip board or attraction list, browse attractions offering Lightning Lane, select the attraction you would like to ride and review the next available return time. So tap book or confirm. Your Lightning Lane reservation will appear in My Day or My Plans. Then view your reservation, like after booking, open My Day, My Plans, or your Lightning Lane section, locate your upcoming reservation and review the attraction and return window. Okay, so you are now ready to modify it if needed. Okay, so modify your Lightning Lane, like if your plans change, open your existing Lightning Lane reservation, tap modify plan or modify, choose a different available return time for eligible Lightning Lane multi-pass selections at different eligible attraction and review your new section. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.